Hi everyone, I'm Glenn Olivero, founder of CoachVantage. In this video, I'll show you how to easily import the contact database that you may already have on an Excel spreadsheet into CoachVantage. I'll also show you how to create and edit contacts in CoachVantage. Let's begin. To import an existing contact or client database, click on Import Contacts. You'll see this pop-up box to download the template to your computer. It's important that you do not change the name of the file while saving. Next, open the template and copy-paste your contacts details from an existing spreadsheet to the template. Once you've done copy-pasting, save and close the file. The final step is to import the template and voila! Your contacts are now saved in your CoachVantage account. To create the contact record in CoachVantage, go to the Contacts page and click on Add New Contact. You can now fill in the fields like contact type, whether this is a current client, prospect, etc. You can also add a custom contact type like mastermind member, for example. You can upload an image of your contact as well to help you put a face to the name. Click Create once you're done to save the record. To sort your contacts, use the drop-down menu to display current clients or prospects, etc. You can also search for contacts by using the search bar. If you've added Skype ID information, clicking the Skype logo will bring up the Skype application so you can make a Skype call directly to your contact. To delete the client record, click the X icon. This will permanently remove the record from your database. Anytime you need to save your contact information to your computer, you can do so by clicking on the Export Contacts button and saving the file. CoachVantage helps you remember your contacts' birthdays too. On your dashboard, click on Upcoming Birthdays and you'll see birthdays coming up in the next 30 days. That's it for this video. CoachVantage, practice management made easy.